Icon toolbox, 56-inch double roll cab, 1 year update. Is it good? Is it worth it? Let's find out. Alrighty guys, so I've had this thing for about a year now, and honestly I don't really have anything bad to say about it. This thing's been totally awesome. As you can see back here, it is still sitting pretty, no damage. I've had no breaks, no issues with the casters, drawers, anything so far. So big fan. You know, for 2,500 bucks, you're getting this monster toolbox with a ton of features. I'm gonna show you guys some of those in case you've never seen this box before. A couple things I will say that I'm planning to do in the future is I want the stainless steel top that goes on there, and it's kind of recessed down, so everything is kind of like a bowl, but you actually have to have that, and I think it's around 400 to 500 bucks. You have to have that in order to run the next box on top of it, which you can either run a hutch that opens up, or you can run another toolbox, and I think I'm gonna roll with the hutch. So looking at probably another 1,800 bucks for the whole setup. But as for now, this thing has been absolutely great. I really have no bad things to say about it. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these, this is an 8,000 pound rated box. Each caster is 2,000 pounds. Huge quality on the casters with suspension. You know, that's crazy to see out of a Harbor Freight item. You get these power outlets, USB, and just standard outlets on the front. Power drawers with a ton of outlets here on the side. I mean, look how nice and organized that is for the most part. But the best part about these boxes, I'm telling you, for the price, look at this. You get the fully adjustable air gun or electric tool. I call it my holster box, but totally adjustable. You can move them around and make them the right height so they all sit flush and pretty like that. So, big fan. And if you're wondering about the drawer weight, what they can handle, any of the drawers on these boxes with the double rollers, which are also adjustable retention wise, any of the doubles are going to be running, I think, 530 pounds, I believe, and then the single ones are rated for 265 pounds. So they still roll like butter. Excuse me. They still roll like butter and work perfectly functional. And you know, the only bad thing I have to say is, like, when you pull these out and they sit, it's like you got to pull them just a tad more to get them to, you know, fully come out. But yeah, I mean, that's not a lot of bad things to say. That's a very small issue, and it's not even really an issue. So wrench drawer, you know, standard single slide, 265 pounds. You know, most of you guys probably aren't gonna have 265 pounds of wrenches. Maybe some of you heavy, you know, equipment mechanics or diesel, you might have some stuff like that. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, give you like a little update on what I think about it. And you know, I guess another thing I don't like about it is it's a Chinese, you know, it's a Chinese box, but it does not feel Chinese one bit. And in today's economy, we're all looking to save some money and get a good bang for the buck. This does it all. So anyway, if you guys have any questions about this box, or you want to know anything or about Icon tools or the Icon toolbox line, drop a comment down below and I'll respond as fast as I can. Thanks for watching.